Alright, hey guys, it is a Friday evening, December 16th, about 9:20 West Coast time. Just pulling up a chart real quick. We have the futures chart, ES, the E-mini. I missed most of the trading today, but we were up early in the day, and then we fell off around, I think, 2 o'clock East Coast time, which is about 11 here. There was some news that came out. Looks like Fitch or someone, I can't remember who, but basically they're saying that they're going to downgrade most of the European nations' credit ratings. So that news came out, and the markets reacted violently toward it. Even though the U.S. companies, most U.S. companies are doing pretty well, and the economic outlook here in the U.S. is pretty good, but the market's reacting to Europe. So at any rate, I want to take a look at this chart real quick for some education. The ES, as you can see, this is the 1 hour chart. We're going to break it down real fast. I have a downtrending channel here. This is the top of the channel right here with this this top red line. This bottom is the bottom of our channel, obviously. And you can see that we have tagged this quite a few times. 1, 2, 3 all along here. You can call it 3, 4 times, and we tagged it up here 3. 1, 2, 3. If you drew it out even farther up on this wick, you could say 4. So this is a pretty definitive downward channel. Our orange is our 200 EMA, our light blue is our 50 EMA, and then in white I have the 9, in red I have the 18 EMAs. And what we're specifically looking for is stochastic divergence here. Along this channel line, you can see that right here, when we hit this low on this channel, the stochastics pulled back down in the 20 region and below, and from there we bounced up into the overbought area, and we hit the top of this channel. We came back down here. We didn't quite hit the bottom of this channel, but the stochastics got oversold, and we made a move back up. So here's the top of the stochastics right here in the overbought region. And what happened? We got close and hit this top channel. We came in, got oversold again right here, and we put in a bottom on this wick. And from there we had a bounce. It wasn't a big bounce. Looks like a bear flag. We had a number of bear flags kind of play out right here, right here, and right here. But we have a potential bear flag here, but I'll get to that in a few minutes. But at any rate, we bounced up. It wasn't a strong move. As you can see, the stochastics pulled back at the 50, and we came down, and we got embedded down here in an oversold region, and we just kind of tagged along this this trend line right here. But then we bounced up. We didn't go to the top of the channel. We got right above the 50 EMA. And we came back. We pulled back here, and this is a good sign actually. On this pullback here, we didn't pull back too much. We actually pulled back into the 9 and 18 EMAs. That held us good support, and then we started going back up, retesting this channel. And the stochastics came up with us, and we hit some resistance along the top of this channel, right where the 200 EMA is. It's right above us, and that was some pretty strong resistance right around the time of the news with Europe. So we violently sold off on that news here, but as you can see, the stochastics, they held pretty strong right here for a short while, but along this candle right here, that's when we started the down move. But as you can see, we found a lot of support right here, and that's probably because we had a lot of support in this region right here. But the thing to pay attention to is the oversold condition in the stochastic indicator, which is right here. So we have another oversold stochastic scenario set up. But look here, we have a higher low. So we're starting to see some stochastic divergence right here. We saw a higher low here when the stochastic got to 50, and now we have a full rotation on the stochastic, meaning all the way back into the oversold region of 20 from here all the way to here. So this region right here, we bottomed out on this trend line, and now we have a full rotation all the way over again, but now we're sitting closer to the top of this trend line. So I would keep an eye on this for a breakout to the upside to possibly test this channel next week and possibly go above it. But be cautious, because right here, this is a potential bear flag in the making as well. So we're not out of the woods yet, and we'll just have to see what happens. I'm still long on Halliburton, waiting for a push in the markets. So yeah, that's it, guys. Good luck next week.